ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
अल्पाक्षरं न संदिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलृक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमाङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
झभै
झभेङ्
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ चटतौ
हफछठथ चततौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इच्छुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमाङणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
यदेतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
उदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम् जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
औक्षस्
औक्षस्
टाभ्याम्भिस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ज्ञेभ्याम्भ्यस्
ज्ञेभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङसिभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङसीभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङस् ओस् आम्
ङस् ओस् आम्
ङि ओसुप्
ङि ओसुप्
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
तिप्तस्झि
तिप्तस्झि
सिद्धस्थ
सिप्तस्था
मिप्वस्मस्
मिप्पस्मस्
त आतां झ
ता आतां झ
थास् आथां ध्वम्
थास् आथां ध्वम्
इट् वहि मगिङ्
इट् वहि महिन्
ऊकालोज्रस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
ऊकालोज्झस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
अचश्च
झश्च
उच्चैरुधातः
उच्चैरुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
समाहारस्वरितः
समाहारस्वरितः
मुखनासिकावचनोनुनासिकः
मुखनासिकावचनोऽनुनासिकः
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
तुल्यस्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
ऋळवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यम्
प्रलयवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यवाचम्
नाज्जलौ
नज्झलौ
अनुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
अणुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
फलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः
फलोऽनन्तरः संयोगः
ह्रस्वं लघु
ह्रस्वं लघु
संयोगे गुरु
संयोगे गुरु
दीर्घं च
दीर्घं च
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
अलुन्त्यात् पूर्व उपध
विभक्तिश्च
विभक्तिश्च
अदर्शनं लोपः
दर्शनं लोपः
उपदेशे जनुनासिक इत
उपदिशे जनुनास्कैत
हलन्त्यम्
हलन्त्यम्
न विभक्तौ तु स्वाहा
न विभक्तौ तु स्माः
आदिर्निटुडवः
आदीर्घ्नीटुडवः
शः प्रत्ययस्य
कः प्रत्ययस्य
चुटु
टुटो
लशक्वतद्धिते
लशक्वत्तद्धिते
तस्य लोपः
तस्य लोपः
आदिरन्तेन सहेता
आदिरन्त्येन सहिता
yes let us chant this out shloka samhitaikapade nitya
संहितैकपदे नित्या
नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
नित्या समासे वाक्येतु
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते.
yes so now we are seeing sandhi and we have seen I think 6 rules starting from savana dirgha sandhi yan sandhi guna sandhi vriddhi sandhi Ayadi Sandhi, and Lopa Sandhi. Last class I told Lopaha Shakalyasya. Just the Sutram mentions the name of the Muni, Lopa, Shakalyasya Muni. So it is in 8319 Tripadi, Sapada Saptadhyayi, and all those things I told. All those are extra information. After the application of Lopaha Shakalyasya, further Sandhi will not happen. So after the application of the sutras in the Tripadi, the sutras in Sapada Saptadhyayi will not apply. Why? Because the results of the Tripadi are not visible for the sutras in Sapada Saptadhyayi. The result of the last three sections of the 8th chapter are not visible to the previous, the entire previous 7th chapter plus one section, 7.5. That's called Sapada Saptadhyayi. So therefore, Lopaha Shakalyasya number is 8319. By that sutra, Yakara, Vakara has become Lopaha. After that, again, Samhitayam, then Guna Sandhi or Savanadirgha Sandhi cannot be applied because it is in 6th chapter. So you cannot apply it. So there is no coming back. So it's like sannyasa. You have to move forward, no coming back. No grihastha back. Only moving forward. So that's how it is. But there are exceptions, okay? But there are exceptions. Exceptions everywhere, we have exceptions. So barring exceptions, that we will see later. Now, we are going to see I thought of teaching you the sutra, starting from Shashti-sthana yoga. That's how we started actually. Now, two more sandhis I think I will explain today. One is Pararupa, other one is Pururupa. Then we can go to the sutra, Shashti-sthana yoga. From there onwards, sutra will be easy for us. Already we have seen, it's not difficult. So, Samhitayam is a topic. That is Adhikara Sutra. It is Vishya Saptami in the context of Samhita. That is Sandhi Avastha, Sandhi Avasthaya. All these sutras down below apply. So we have done Iko Enachi, we have done Echo Yavayavaha, then we have done Adgunaha, we have done Vriddhirechi. We have done, but still we will see. Just for the sake of the order, just we will go through the sutras again later. But now here in this section, other sutras also we will see. Going to cover everything. Then Akasavanidhirga also we have seen. Then the other two sutras I thought that also I will explain. One is Pararupa Sandhi, Engi Pararupam. Right, this is one sutra. Other one is Ato Gune. In fact, this is what I want to tell Dikshu. Ato Gune. This is called Pararupa Sandhi. Not Engi Pararupam. Engi Pararupam we will see later. Engi Pararupam, that we will see later. From this sutra, 94, the word Pararupam, if you see, it is coming as Anuvritti for this sutra. Right? So this is a sutra we are going to see. So Atogune. So Pararupam, this is called Pararupa Sandhi. So this sutra you can see. Engi Pararupam not required now, that we will see later. So 6197. And then Pururupa Sandhi is, here it is. 61109. Enga Padanta Dati. This is Pururupa Sandhi. We call this by the name Pururupa. So today what we are going to see is 6197, that is Pararupa Sandhi. 61109, that is Pururupa Sandhi. Now, what is Pararupa? First I will explain. Then we can come to this and then do it. Okay. So before that, you must be knowing how the Kriya Padam Patan patanti, patati, patataha, patanti is derived. You know it, right?
Yes.
How? Dhatu pat. After that, ti. If you had done what happens? You would have studied this, right, before? Then a comes, right? Is it not like that?
We only memorized the patati patataha patanti,
Oh,
etc.
okay. You're not studied like this. Okay,
No.
fine. Okay, then I have to give you another example. Fine, no problem. So what I will do is I'll give some non-example. Atogane this example, or otherwise, Panurupa Sandhi. Okay. Okay, there are no other example. If other examples are little difficult example. So I think this example itself I tell you. Okay, I'll go by this example. So you know patati patataha patanti, patasi patataha patata. Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
it's easy, it's not difficult. Now here you can see tip tas G, sip tas ta, vip vas. So this is ti, taha, anti. Patati, patataha, patanti. So now what happens here? Tip is nothing but ti. So tip tas G. This is what it is there, right? Tip tas G, sip tas ta, mip vas. Tip is nothing but P. For present tense, it is, if it is here, it was tip. Tip is nothing but T. Similarly, tas is nothing but taha. Similarly, G is nothing but anti. In fact, this is how we chant actually. Ti taha anti, si taha ta, mi vaha maha, right? So the
Yes.
tip tas G is original pratyaya. From the original pratyaya, the suffix, present tense, that is what we call technically lat lakara. We call it as a lat. I think lat you know, right? Do you know lat? No.
No, not with this name.
Okay, fine. You can know that now. Technical, the technical name. Technical
Okay.
name for present tense is lat. Slowly I'll be introducing all these things. The technical name. So it is sutram, right? So we can mention by a simple name, lat. Okay, now. So for lat present tense, tip the original pratyaya, from that we get ti. And thus the original pratyaya, from that we get taha. G, the original pratyaya, original. Okay, original means that is of the root, the base pratyaya. From that, corresponding to present tense, we derive. G becomes anti. How it becomes, don't worry about that. We are not interested in that. So you have to note T is Pratama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya for present tense. Is Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam for present tense. And Anti is Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam present tense. Now, let us take Pat Dhatu. Pat plus T in present tense. It is not Patti. No, here what happens? Pat plus T. One A comes in between. And then T. So you get Pat plus A is Pata and T. Patati. That's what you get. What is this A? We will talk about that a little later. The A is it's another pratyaya. It comes immediately after the dhatu, but when you add the pratyayas, when you add the pratyaya, one more pratyaya comes, that is A, immediately after the dhatu. Okay, that much you know. details not required now. We will see that in Tinganta later. Similarly, see, otherwise, patati, patataha, patanti, you can do the reverse. If it is patataha, dhatu is pat, the pratyaya must be taha. So, reverse, if you do pat plus a plus taha, patataha, right? Similarly, do the reverse, you know the form. From the form, you go back. Here it is patanti. And pat is a dhatu. Already I told you anti is the prathama purusha bhagavachana pratyaya. So therefore here it must be anti. Here it must be anti, right? So pat plus a plus anti. What happens? Pat plus a is pata plus anti, right? Right?
Yes.
Now a plus a, what will happen?
Dirgha.
Yeah.
Savana.
Savara dirgha, right? It should happen. Patanti. But
Yeah.
this is not the form. What is the
Yes.
form? Patanti, patati, patataha, patanti, khadati, dhavanti, pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Everywhere it is that only. Right? How does it happen? There is no savargadika sandhi here. This is where here the rule what we are going to see now walks in. So it is patanti, not pata. We will see. Okay, then similarly for, I tell you, Madhyama Purusha, that is second person. It is si, taha, ta. Pat plus si, patasi, patataha, patata, right? Here there is no problem, right? Patasi, patataha, patata. Now Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachanam is, what is the pratyaya? Tip, tasji, sip, thastha. You can see the pratyayas. That's what we chant.
Mip,
Mip, vasmas, mip, vasmas. Mip, vasmas. So what happens here is,
Mip.
This is me,
Mi.
vas,
Va. Ma.
vas. This is vaha, this is maha. So here pat plus me. Pat plus me is, pata plus me is not patami. It becomes patami. This is some other rule that we will see later. We are not interested in that now. That we are going to see later. Similarly, here vaha is, pata plus vaha becomes patavaha, dirgha. Similarly,
Vaha.
pat plus maha is patamaha, not patamaha. Not patamaha, it is patamaha. So this rule we will see later. I will a little later I will teach you now. Don't worry about this now.
Dvivachanam vaha.
Huh?
Vaha, not ittaha.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Vaha. So now we are interested in this. How pata plus anti you get patanti? Why not patanti? Now look this. You take this alone. You take this alone. What is the letter here? Pat plus a, right? Here also a. What is anti? Anti is a pratyaya.
Yeah.
And pata is? Not dhatu. No. Pat is a dhatu. Pat plus a is pata. It is not a dhatu. Pat is a dhatu. But pat plus a pata is not a dhatu, right? Pata is not a dhatu. But anti is a pratyaya. Now, my question is, this pata, is it a padam? Is it a word? Is it a padam?
No.
No, it's not a padam. Patanti is a padam.
Yes.
Patataha is a padam. Patati is a padam, right? What is a padam? The last class I told. Dhatu plus pratyaya is equal to kriya padam, right? So here dhatu plus one more that letter, that is akara, which is pratyaya. This is also pratyaya. Dhatu plus pratyaya, and this is a thing pratyaya. Therefore, the whole thing becomes a padam. The whole thing is a padam, but pata is not a padam, right? This is not a padam. This is a pratyaya. Now, therefore, what I do, this akara is this akara. What akara it is? This akara, apadanta akara. Can I call like that? Apadanta akara. Akara meaning short vowel a, which is padanta. No, not at the end of the padam. Na padanta, apadanta. Padanta means pada plus anta at the end of the padam. Padantam. Padanta means at the end of the padam. It's called padanta. Now here, akara is not at the end of the padam. Apadanta. Akara is not at the end of the fully formed word, right? Apadanta akara. Followed by what letter? Followed by the letter apadanta akara. Followed by what letter?
Akara.
Akara. Can I call it as a guna letter? I can't, because A is guna letter, right? I mean, I'm taking you to the rule, to the sutra. That is why I paint guna. Why A is otherwise? A is a guna letter. So apadanta akara followed by a guna letter. Then what will happen? Then both will be replaced by the following one, that is guna letter. Now you see the rule. That is when apadanta akara is followed by a guna letter, followed by a guna letter. Just a minute. Kshamita. When apadanta akara is followed by a guna letter, both means what? Yes, exactly. Both the letters. I mean, that is apadanta akara as well as apadanta akara and the following guna letter. That's what I mean, both. Following guna letter. Both will be replaced by, both the letters will be replaced by the following letter. And the following letter is, what is the following letter? Guna letter. By the following letter, which is the guna letter. A. In the example, it is A. Okay. When apadanta akara is followed by a guna letter, both the letters, both the preceding and succeeding. What mean both the letter is? Both the preceding and the succeeding letters, that is apadanta akara and the following guna letter will be replaced by the following letter, which is guna letter. So therefore, now you see, here what happens? Pata plus anti, pat plus a plus anti, it is pata plus anti will become a plus a is This is apadanta akara followed by a guna letter. Therefore, not savana dirgha sandhi. This will come. This will apply. This is apavada to savana dirgha sandhi. So when apadanta akara is followed by a guna letter, both will be replaced by the following guna letter. In this example, the following happens to be a. So therefore, a will be the replacement in the place of a plus a. This is apavada exception to savarna dirgha sandhi. Yes, savarna dirgha sandhi is applicable. This sutram is also applicable. Therefore, this sutram is exception to savarna dirgha sandhi. Therefore, applied. That which is exception always overrules the general. Exceptions always to be applied first, should be given preference first, not the general rule. If you give preference to general rule, then this sutra will never apply. Then what is the purpose, right? When there is a competition between the general rule and the exception will apply first. Okay. So patanti. I'll give another example. You know the Atmanepadi, labdhatu, labate, labete, labante. There also is applied. Lab, first group, lab plus, a plus. I'm doing Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Ante. The pratyaya is ante. Like in this case, G was there, anti. Similarly, for labdhatu, which is Atmanepadi, lab plus, a plus, ante. So what will happen here also? Labha plus ante. What is the form? Labhante. Is it labhante? No. It is labhante. This rule will apply. Both will be replaced by the following guna letter. So following guna letter that will apply. So preceding is apadanta kara. That is purvam. The following is, that is succeeding is the guna letter. Succeeding in Sanskritam is called, it is called para. Para. Therefore, the sandhi is called pararupa sandhi. The form of the following word will replace both. Therefore, the sandhi is called pararupa because guna letter is a following letter, para letter. Para means following. Purva is before. That's why this is called pararupa sandhi. Understand?
Yes.
Now, another example I'll give. Labate, can you recite the forms, all the forms? Labate, labete, labante. Then after that?
Labate, labhante, labhante.
Labase.
Labase, labadve, labat. I forgot. I'm sorry.
Labase, labete, labadve.
Labadve.
You see, I write here. Labate, labete. Okay, I will do like this. Let me try. Let me do all because it's very interesting. This example I given, right? Now let me do Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. I will do all the vachana. You see, lab plus te. Te is a Pratama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya. We will learn all these things later. So lab plus a plus te. So what you love? Labate, right?
Okay.
Similarly, lab plus a plus. Here the pratyaya is ite. So you will have labha plus ite. Now what will happen?
Apadanta akara.
No. It's not followed by a guna letter. It's not a guna letter at all. A plus E. What rule?
It is E. Vriderati.
No, this is not H letter. Is it a H letter? No. Followed by ik letter, in fact.
Ik letter.
So it means you know it. Guna sandhi. You know, guna will happen. A plus E will be guna sandhi. Avarna followed by equilater. If the sutra is ach, but we know when followed by ach means if it followed by a, savana dirgha will apply. If it is age, vriddhi will apply. What is left over is only equilater. Therefore, avarna followed by equilater. Gunasandhi, right?
Yes.
So what will the form then? You get labhete. So labhate, labhete, labante. Labante only our sandhi, pararupa sandhi. Here guna sandhi. Okay. Now let me do all forms. Lab plus a plus se becomes labase. Then lab plus a plus ithe. What sandhi here?
Gunasandhi.
Here also guna sandhi. Labase, labhete. Then laba plus here it is dve. Laba plus dve is labadve. Nothing happens here. Just add. Right? Then Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha, you see, lava plus a plus a, lava plus a, what sandhi? A plus a. A is the pratyaya.
Labhai.
Labhai, right? What sandhi is that? Vriddhi, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask you, what is the last letter here? Followed by what letter?
Vrid.
This is the vriddhi letter. What is the letter? This A.
Yeah.
What letter is A is? It's a guna letter. Aden gunaha a e o.
Okay.
So apadantakara followed by a guna letter. Then what will apply?
The both are replaced by the guna letter.
Yes. Therefore, a plus a will become
Labhe.
Labhe only. Therefore, this is apavada to vriddhi sandhi. Can note vriddhi sandhi should not be applied because apadantakara followed by a. This is another example for our sandhi, guna sandhi. Sorry, pararupa sandhi. Understand? So you can take this as one example. Atmanipadi example I have given. Similarly, Parasmipadi example. Patanti I have given this example. These are good examples. Right? So you have to identify what letter is this means. Guna letter, vriddhi letter, all those should be very clear. A, A, O, guna letter. Vriddhi rechi. A, I, how is vriddhi. Okay. Similarly, when avarna followed by ik letter, understand guna will happen. When followed by a, vriddhi will happen. But here, this pararupa sandhi will overrule vriddhi sandhi. Therefore, pararupa sandhi will apply. Understand?
Yes.
Then next one, a. Similarly here, mahe and mahe. Here the rule, some other rule is that we will see later. So it becomes labhavahe, labhamahe, dirgha. That a becomes long. That we will see later. That is not our interest now. So these two are interest. Atmanepadi, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam. This pararupa sandhi is applied. Similarly, for Parasmepadi, Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam, you see this sandhi being applied. Understand? So this is a rule.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we will write the sutra. You try. First, find out Stani, what is Adesha. Stani already you told. Stani you told. What is the Stani?
Stani is a padanta akara.
No. Stani.
Stane. Guna.
Purva Parayoga, you only said Purva Parayoga, right?
Yes, Parayoga. So,
Yeah, that is Stane, Shashti Bhakti, right?
yes.
Purva Parayoga, Stane. What is the Adesha?
Adesha. Gunaha.
Gunaha Adesha, right?
Okay.
Gunaha
Adesha.
Adeshaha Bhavati. Very good. Then. And Guna is what letter? The following letter.
The following letter. So,
Therefore, Pararupaha you can say instead of Guna. Right?
yes.
You can say
Pararupaha.
Guna also, nothing wrong. I'm just saying.
Ah, understand.
What? Then, okay, complete. So, you have told now both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by the following letter, that is Guna letter. Within bracket, I will write for our understanding. Pararupaha, so that Pararupa Sandhi. Now, what about the other things? What follows what?
Apadanta, akarat.
Yes, very good. Apadanta,
Akarat.
aka,
Rat. No?
agarat, okay. Then,
Uh,
uttarasya.
Uttarasya.
Hmm.
Gune.
Very good. Gune pare, right? Apadanta akarat uttarasya. Gune pare, purva parivastane, gunaha, that is pararupaha, adesha bhavati. Now, we will write the sutra. Please tell me the sutra now. Whatever coming as anuvritti, that you can leave out. Little difficult, but I can try, nothing wrong.
Nanuvrite Sahitayam.
Okay. Samhitayam, that is not
Achi.
required. Achi, very good. Not required also, but also not required. Then Achi not required. Ekaha, Purva Parayoga, that is required.
And
Purva Parayoga.
Pararupam.
Very good, Pararupam. Yes.
Only that.
Only that, yes. All these coming as anuvritti. So therefore, you don't have to write this in the sutra. Simple.
Okay.
These letters need not be in the sutra because coming as anuvritti. So removing this, accepting this, what are the other words? Then main words come in the sutra. What are they? Apadanta akarat, right?
Okay.
Then followed by gune.
Gune.
Right? That's all. Only those two, nothing else. Because pura parayoga is the anuvritti. And gunaha is also, that is pararupa. Pararupa already anuvritti is there. Nothing else. Apadanta akarat gune. Now, apadanta akarat. You make this into apadanta also coming as anuvritti for your information. You may not know, but I tell you. It is coming as anuvritti. So that also leave it. Apadanta. So, therefore, now how to form the rule. Akarat. Akara is short vowel. Okay, please note. Short vowel.
Only short vowel.
Yeah.
So at.
Very good. At. What is the panchami of at? Akarat.
At.
Panchami of at.
Panchami. Ataha.
Exactly. Ataha. Gune. That is the sutra.
Okay.
When you join the sandhi, what will happen? Ataha gune becomes ato gune. Right? Visarga becomes u, then o, right? Ato gune. This is the sutra. Sutra is 6197. Now you see the sutra pata. You'll see the sutra. Ato gune. Sorry?
This is extremely compact.
Yeah. Yes. That's how all the sutras are. Ato gune 6197. Do you see the sutra pata?
Yes.
Ato gune. See, now let me see. I tell you. From here, the previous sutra, usi apadantat. Apadantat coming as anuvritti.
Okay.
Apadantat. Okay. And pararupam is here. Pararupam is also coming as anuvritti.
Yes.
And ekaha purva parayoho coming as anuvritti. Samhitayam coming as anuvritti. Achi, even though coming as anuvritti, but it is not required here. Because following is a guna letter, gune saptami. So not required. So from this we can understand this is ato gune. This is called pararupa sandhi. Right?
Okay.
Very good. You tried this very well. Apadanta akarat uttarasya gune pare pura parayogastane pararupam adeshaha pararupaha adeshaha bhavati. So this is we have done. Now you see the here in this example, my chart here. This table is also like a sutra. Everything is condensed. No, this important. All the Sandhi sutras are taken and given in the form of the table. If you after we complete this sutram, if you understand this table, it is fine because covers the entire Sandhi prakarana. Okay, Pararupa Sandhi. You can see here. Pararupa Sandhi number 1 is Engi Pararupam. That we have not seen. I will teach you later. Okay. That is 6194. We are seeing 6197.
7.
So other Sandhi we'll see. This is Pararupa Sandhi. In my chart, it is Pararupa Sandhi number 5. When Apadantakara is followed by a guna letter, both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Pararupam, which is the guna letter. This is an Apavada to Savanadirga Sandhi. Example, you can remember Patanti. And Vriddhi Sandhi, example, you can remember Labhe. Right? Those two examples I gave, same. Apavada to Savanadirga Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Ato Gune 6197. Right? You can write the anuvrittis if you want here. I have not written, but you can write the words which coming as anuvritti. Samhitaya, then Purva Parayogo, then Pararupam, and then Apadanta. All these words are coming as anuvritti. So Atogani, so compact. Right?
Okay. Achi is not required.
Actually not required. Have you studied this rule before?
No.
Okay. So you have to note this. You can please, you have this document with you already. I sent you this. You can mark this. Okay. And I will send you the class work also. Whatever we do in the class, the document also I will send you. So you can have your own notes.
This rule, are we going to put in the sequence of sutram?
Yeah, of course. Yes.
Because we stopped in 41. So
after that we will include. Yes, we are going to include that. These are some of the basic sutras. So I will include this. After that, slowly, after some time, little advanced sutras we will see. Okay, that means that those sandhis even you would not have seen. So we will see that. Those sandhis you would not have studied. That I have to introduce. We'll see. I'll explain that. This is 12. I'm just giving the example here. Pat plus anti. Patanti. Similar another example. That is labate. Labhe. Lab plus is labha plus A, then becomes labhe. This is some of the example. In fact, labante also you can take, but anyway, I have not taken because already we have done. So therefore I'm not taking that.
I have a question.
Yeah. Please
The
ask.
Ati is not required because guna is restricting the subset of letters from
Yeah.
Ati.
Yes.
Okay.
See, you have to bring the anuvrittis only which is required. Okay. So therefore, that which is not required, no need to worry about it. That's why that sutra, the first we have to know the rules. After that, studying the sutra. Anyway, it's not a problem. So we are doing the studying new rule also with the sutra. It's okay. Salabha plus. You can note this example. This is Pararupa Sandhi. Now, Purarupa Sandhi. Purarupa Sandhi, I think you know it. Okay, that also I'll give an example. So this Pararupa Sandhi we have done. Okay, so all these are for your. I'll send you this classwork. Oh, this is Pararupa Sandhi. You can edit this page and you can have as your notes. Okay, whatever is required. Okay, Atogune. The sutta I'm going to present the same thing later. Now, Purarupa Sandhi. Purarupa Sandhi. I'll give an example. You can try. I think this you must be knowing. Purarupa Sandhi. That is Purarupa Sandhi is okay. I'll give you simple example. Te plus api. Please join.
Type.
Sorry.
Type.
Te plus api. Tai api.
No,
Think.
Tai. Without ear.
Yeah. Okay. You're saying this?
No. I.
I. How do you get I?
E plus A is not the vrid form of.
A. See. Te plus api. First letter is A, followed by A. A plus A. What sandhi should be? A plus what sandhi is it?
It is Ayadi Sandhi.
Ayadi sandhi, right?
Ayadi Sandhi.
What Ayadi sandhi says, please see. It's correct. I mean, correctness, your I'm slowly. Okay, what is Ayadi sandhi? When H letter is followed by H letter, right?
Okay.
When H is followed by H will be replaced by Ayava. Okay.
Okay.
So A will be this example. A will be replaced by Tai. That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Tai plus therefore you said Tayapi, right?
Yes.
This is not correct.
But we after that we must employ lopas.
Okay, Tai plus Api. Lopasandi, this Yakara will go, you're saying Ta plus Api, Tapi. I mean, you're saying, you say like this.
It's not correct.
No, this is not correct. See, what you said, Ayadi Sandhi, that is to start with is okay. A plus A, H letter followed by H letter. A will be replaced by I. Fine. That's what you said, right? Ayadi Sandhi.
Okay.
But there is an exception to Ayadi Sandhi. What is that exception? That is this A at the end of what? End of? Yeah, I want that word.
Padam?
Yes, exactly.
Pratipadika.
No, padam.
On padam. Okay.
Padam. A at the end of the padam. If te is a padam, what about api? Api is also must be a padam, right?
Yes.
Te api. Now, what is the first letter of the padam?
Akara.
Now, that is a rule. When the eng letter at the end of the padam, followed by a word beginning with a short vowel, then both will be replaced by Pururupa, eng. The previous sutra, Pararupa. Here, both will be replaced by Pururupa. Now, in this example, Takara plus A is eng letter. And eng, what is eng? Eng is?
E-O.
Yes, A-O. That's all. Only
yes.
A-O, two letters. A-O, I, ouch. When
Yes.
eng letter at the end of the padam, followed by a padam beginning with akara, then this A plus A will be replaced by A. That's a rule. Both will be replaced by A. Therefore, what will happen? Both will be replaced. Therefore, it will become Te, P. This is the answer. What happened to akara? This akara, both are replaced by A. Since this akara is not to show that akara, it has disappeared, is an elision by sandhi. Therefore, what we do for our understanding, the printer, the publisher will give like this. P. Understand?
Yes.
This is called Pururupa Sandhi. Pururupa Sandhi is apavada to ayadi sandhi. This connection should be very clear. What is apavada to what?
Okay.
So you have to do some nididhyasana on this. You have to meditate on that and understand. Iko yenachi, for that akasavana dirgha is apavada. Guna sandhi is a vidhi sandhi. Vidhi sandhi is apavada to guna sandhi. Similarly, savana dirgha sandhi apavada to guna sandhi. Similarly, this pararupa sandhi is apavada to savana dirgha sandhi. Savana dirgha sandhi. That's what we saw. Similarly, this pururupa sandhi is apavada to ayadi sandhi. So when before you apply ayadi, you have to think whether this apavada pururupa sandhi applies. If it is applicable, apply it. So here, that's why the condition is important. A is at the end of the padam. Yang letter at the end of the padam, followed by a padam beginning with the rasvakara, then both will be replaced by purva, that is yang letter. Therefore, tepi, right?
Okay.
Another example I'll give. So many examples are there in the Gita. Now you see, I'll show you that in the Sandhi file, so many examples are given. So plus amritatvaya, O. O is yang letter, followed by a. So amritatvaya kalpate, in Gita it is there. Similarly, nasato plus avidyate. Nasato vidyate bhavaha, nabhavo vidyate sataha, Gita.
But there in amritatva.
Yes.
So was not a sandhi. Saha becomes.
Yes,
so.
Saha becomes so. That is Sandhi. That is Saha becomes so. That is another Sandhi. That is Ganjana Sandhi, consonant Sandhi.
And you can apply this Purva Sandhi after this Sandhi.
After Saha becomes so, then you can apply. not before
Okay.
that. Only when O is
Yes.
there, you can apply, right?
Okay.
So previously it was Saha. Previously it was Saha. The Saha become Visarga is replaced by, okay, I'll tell you later how it is. Visarga is replaced by U. Then it's A plus U. Here A is there. A plus U will become O. Therefore, so you get.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we can apply this rule that we are seeing now.
Then you can apply this rule, yes.
Okay.
So it was Saha plus Amritatvaya. Then Saha becomes so plus Amritatvaya. Then you can apply this rule. So Amritatvaya. Yes. Similarly, here also, Nasata. Similarly, this is simple example I give. Let's see. This is one example. Then Ramaha plus Agachat. I'm just saying Agachat. You know Agachat. Agachat is Langlakara, past tense, went. Ramaha plus Agachat. This Ramaha becomes Ramo. How it becomes that we will see later. Okay. Don't worry about that. It is Vyanjana Sandhi. Agachat. Then O plus A. Then becomes Ramo. Ramo. Gachat. Right?
Okay.
O plus A. Ramo is a Padam. Ramaha is a Padam. Then Rama will be a Padam only. Right? So at the end of the Padam, what is there? O, which is a Yang letter, followed by Rasvakara. So both will be replaced by Purva Rupam, that is Yang letter. Therefore, Ramo.
And this
Ram,
avagraha is optional.
Avagraha not required. If you put Avagraha so that we can understand. That's it.
Okay.
When Avagraha is there, then you know it. It is Ramo Agachat. It's easy for you to split again. Otherwise, it becomes difficult. That's the idea. Suppose, instead of this, suppose Tepi, if you say, then you look for the word. What is Tepi? Is any word Tepi in the language? Suppose if I give Avagraha, it's easy. That is why publisher, they give Avagraha for the sake of the readers. Okay. It is not a Sanskrit letter. It is given by the publisher. So this is called Purva Pasandi. Now what is Purva Pasandi? Let us write in English. You tell me, I will write.
In English?
Yes. Then we will do Sanskritam. Then do Sutra. First, whether you understood or not, I want to know. That is English.
Yes. When A and O are followed by...
You can say that as simply Yang, right?
Okay. When N is followed by at?
Not Yang.
Not
We have
at.
to say Yang letter at the end of
Apadam.
Padam. That is very important, right? Otherwise, it will fall under Ayadi Sandhi. See, in Ayadi Sandhi, H letter followed by H letter, right?
Yes.
Ayadi Sandhi happens. And H is nothing but Yang plus H. So Yang is a subset of H. So when Yang is followed by H, then also Ayadi Sandhi will happen. But what the Yang is, this is Apadanta Yang. Whereas this is Padanta Yang. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. If it is Apadanta Yang, like for example, I gave this, if you remember, I gave this example, Ne plus Anam. What's Sandhi?
Nayanam.
Yeah, this is Ayadi Sandhi. Here also A plus A. Like here also A plus A. But here Purva Rupa. But here Ayadi Sandhi. A will replace by I. Why? Because Ne is not a Padam. Not at the end of the Padam. Therefore, this is also not a Padam. This is a Pratyaya. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi is applied. Ne becomes Nai. Nai plus Anam. Therefore, Nayanam. This example only I gave when I explained Ayadi Sandhi. Understand?
Yes.
Whereas here, Te plus Api, A at the end of the Padam. Therefore, when Yang letter at the end of the Padam, followed by the Padam, beginning with
H.
Akara, not ach. Only short vowel a.
Only akara. Okay.
Only akara. Yes. Only
Yeah.
akara.
Yeah.
Then both will be replaced by
The buff will be replaced by eng letter.
which is what? Both the preceding and succeeding
Will
letters
be replaced by the previous, by the
in
preceding.
by the preceding.
Preceding
That is
eng.
called Pururupam, right?
Okay.
That is called Pururupam. What is that Pururupam? That is Yang letter. Yang is the Pururupam, right?
Yes.
So Yang will be a replacement. That's it. That's what it is. Both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by the preceding letter, that is, which is Pururupam, that is Yang letter, right? Understand?
Yes.
This is the rule. Sutra, I'll explain. You'll try to derive the sutra based on this explanation in the next class. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You have any doubts?
No.
Please, the Sandhi chart, the Sandhi is not chart, the Sandhi book, more than 100 pages are there. Examples are all elaborated. Please do it. You need to have this Sandhis in your fingertips. Then only the sutra, then further we'll understand. You should be able to join and split and say what Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi. So you need to master this. Here, Pururpa Sandhi, I explained. When Padanta Yang is followed by the short vowel, then both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by the Purva letter Yang. So this is available in the document. Please go through that. Since the replacement is Yang, which is Purvam, the Sandhi is called Purarupa Sandhi. And you see so many examples are there. Lot of examples. You have to work out all these examples. Then only you understand. Right? Please go through this. You can take this as a homework. And we will derive the sutram in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. See here, given all the sutras in just single line. When Akka letter is followed by Savarna Ak, it's Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. When Ik letter is followed by Asavarna Ach, then it is Yan Sandhi. When Avarna is followed by Ik, Guna Sandhi. When Avarna is followed by H, Vriddhi Sandhi. When H is followed by Ach, Ayava Yava. When Padantayang is followed by Rasvakara, Pururpa Sandhi. So one line. If you remember this, it is enough. Yeah. Summary. And I will add Pararupa Sandhi also. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.